Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuned into Click React and looking at a video called 64 Workout Fails You Don't Want to Repeat. Man, I know we all see craziness in the gym, and sometimes it's like painful to watch, but sometimes it's just funny. So we're just going to be looking at that today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub, like button, and let me know what you think about these fails, man. We're just going to get right into it. Oh, alright. There we go with the painful. Don't slip. Looks like he's about to hit himself in the ball. Oh, yep. You know, I truly that makes me happy to see, because I hate when people drop their weights unnecessarily. They just control your shit, brother. Yeah, into the garbage can. Yeah, like, bro, why don't we control stuff? Like, why don't we learn to control every move? Unnecessary. That's what you guys get. That's what you guys get. Bro, you're too big for that. Man tired himself. I've never seen something like that before.
Morning guys, so now obviously we see a lot of members using resistance bands, so I just want to talk to you a little bit about from using them. So obviously it engages multiple muscles.
This is so funny.
Basically your whole entire body can get the workout from doing.
Oh shit. Yo, she's lucky she wasn't lifting the whole stack. Yeah, no core was braced in that video. Oh shit. Honestly, I feel like this is effective at something. Now, I might not know what it is, but I feel like something's going on there. Ooh. Oh, this is a cool workout. Don't fall. Oh, fuck. That's why typically people do that with like a padded ground. I'm suing the gym. This shit. Think you fucked up, bud. Oh yeah, you about to earn it. She earned it alright. Oh, my boy's practicing for the Firestarter Olympics. Rubbing the sticks together too. Yes, sir. Get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Front squats. Ah. Very scary. Mm-hmm. And that poor lady now has to help you do that. Oh. Are you alright, man? She doing that shit on purpose, bro. She's recording you guys, recording her. You better take that shit up, little nigga. Yeah. I don't know what kind of spot that was. Bro, I feel like certain limits, you know what you can push and what you can't push. I know he knows he couldn't do that. This guy said that this is basically a Bowflex. You know, a Bowflex was a full body workout. This bicycle is everything, bro. It can do everything with it. Bicep curls, pushing motions. Don't ride out of the gym. Oh, okay. Cause he looks like he's on a.
Plate tried to murder me.
Yeah, that's why I use safety pins or clips. Luchadores.
500 clearance.
I have never seen this before. Yeah, these Olympic.
Incredible. Incredible power. Great pop through the press.
Oh. This poor dog. Where's that go? We try to play? Ow! Ow! Damn. I'm just gonna slap him in his face. Yeah, we ain't playing like that, or else we're gonna fight. Yeah, you wanna be stupid? There you go. Good job. Oh! Is this a lady? I mean, I see guys do this. Fighters, so I don't really think it's that crazy. This is a cool innovation. Never mind. Unsafe. Believe it or not, he's still doing something. He almost had it. The treadmill ones are crazy. Olympic lifts. Back of your egg. Oh, okay. That one wasn't. That was the best way you could have failed that and not hurt yourself. She done for the day. He is down for the count.
This is my Ninja Warrior experience.
I think you failed the Ninja Academy. I mean, that nigga's a beast. I ain't attempting that shit. Again, that's the best possible outcome there. Where did you do that at? What the fuck is she doing? Is that a goddamn raccoon? Oh no. I don't want to say it, but I ain't never seen a black person do that. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. He putting in that real work. But he is red as fuck. Yeah, he's doing that on purpose. There's no fucking way. Here we go. My favorite. I mean, he's strong. Nigga walked away and looked at the way.
Man in here working out. I know you lying.
What happened? I'm gonna go. This is like a back extended. Oh, ow. My knees hurt. My shin burns. Again, I see fighters do stuff like this. It's not that crazy. I do feel like that is working something too. I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't tell me you're gonna. Oh, fuck. Sorry, that's the best possible outcome. That's not easy to do, eh? That's a lot of balance and core. That shit is funny though. Shit, I might give that a try. That last one, come on. That is, I don't even know what to call that, man. Guys, appreciate you for watching. I'll see you guys later.